On behalf of St. Mary's Polytechnic College and Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the valedictory function of the Faculty Development Program on Progressive Safety Engineering Strategies in Manufacturing and Industrial Applications. I extend a warm welcome to our respected management, Reverend Dr. Matthew Illathuparambil, Director of St. Mary's Polytechnic College, Reverend Father Saju Arakel, Joint Director of St. Mary's Polytechnic College, Principal Ms. Indugala MP, Vice Principal Mr. Sriraj AS, whose encouragement and support have been instrumental in the successful organization of this program. I also welcome all the faculty members, staff, and our enthusiastic participants who have actively engaged in the sessions and made this FDP a fruitful experience. Over the past 6 days, this FDP has been a wonderful journey of learning and sharing. We are honored to have the presence of eminent resource persons like Father Dr. Jose Kannampuzha, Dr. Maya, Mr. Venugopal, Ms. Honey Joseph, Mr. Steffi James, Dr. Rajesh Balasubramanian, and Mr. Karthikeyan, who enlightened us with their valuable insights on various aspects of safety engineering. Their contributions have truly made this program meaningful and impactful. Today, as we gather for the valedictory function, let us celebrate not just the conclusion of this FDP, but the knowledge, ideas, and inspiration we have gained from it. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone present here for joining us on this special occasion. I cordially invite Ms. Indugala MP, our beloved principal of St. Mary's Polytechnic College, Palakkad, to present the report of the ATAL Faculty Development Program that took place over 6 days. Your presence and insights would be invaluable in highlighting the key takeaways and outcomes of this program.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening once again. On behalf of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, St. Mary's Polytechnic College, it gives me immense pleasure to present the report of the AICT ATAL Online Faculty Development Program on Progressive Safety Engineering Strategies in Manufacturing and Industrial Applications conducted from 22nd to 27th September 2025. This 6-day FDP was designed to provide participants with comprehensive insights into industrial and electrical safety, hazard identification, risk assessment, software tools for safety analysis, and global safety standards. The sessions focused on bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical implementation of safety strategies in modern industries. The program was inaugurated on 22nd September in an online ceremony graced by Reverend Dr. Matthew Illathuparambil, Director of St. Mary's Polytechnic College, and Reverend Father Saju Arakel, Joint Director. Reverend Dr. Matthew Illathuparambil delivered the inaugural address highlighting the importance of safety education in developing responsible professionals. Reverend Father Saju Arakel offered an inspiring felicitation encouraging participants to integrate advanced safety strategies into their professional lives. Now, to FDP highlights, over 6 days, 13 sessions were conducted by eminent academicians and industry experts. On day 1, the session was dealing with introduction to safety engineering and common industrial hazards, and it was by Reverend Dr. Jose Kannampuzha. Day 2, electrical safety basics and advanced safety automation by Dr. Mayaji. Day 3, PPE, machine safety and disaster management guided by Mr. Venugopalan. Day 4, software tools like FMEA and HAZOP and digitalization conducted by Ms. Honey Joseph. Day 5, HIRA techniques by Mr. Steffi James. and National and International Safety Standards by Dr. Rajesh Balasubramaniam. Day 6, Real Life Industrial Accidents and Safety Friendly Workplaces by Mr. Karthikeyan R. and Behavior Based Safety by Mr. Steffi James. The FDP received enthusiastic participation from faculty members and professionals across India. Participants appreciated the program's balance of theory, case studies, and digital tools. The session enhanced awareness of workplace hazards, introduced international best practices, and promoted a culture of behavior based safety. This valedictory function marks the successful conclusion of a week dedicated to advancing safety engineering practices. On behalf of the organizing committee, I sincerely thank AICT ATAL Academy, our distinguished resource persons, participants, and the institution management for their wholehearted support in making this FDP a resounding success. Almost all the participants who attended the test has successfully completed it, and that is a great news for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the detailed overview. Now, it's the time to hear overall feedback from the participant side. While giving the feedback, dear participants, please ensure that your camera is on. Yes, sir. You can start.
Madam, it was very fruitful uh, FDP associated with the fire and safety field, especially industrial safety. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi all, myself Srijit, a lecturer in mechanical engineering from Holy Grace Polytechnic College, Thrissur. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department of St. Mary's Polytechnic College and their management for arranging such a well-structured program. All the 13 sections were engaging, informative, and all the resource persons explained the concept in a clear and systematic manner, and they connecting the theories with practical applications, which made the section highly relevant to our teaching. I also appreciate the way the department handled the attendance feedback form and scheduling the sessions. I hope the department can arrange such programs in future. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am.
a very good.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you for organizing such a beautiful and wonderful FDP. And I have attended all the sessions, and all the sessions are found to be very fruitful and encouraging regarding the industrial safety hazards and standards, and what are the precautions we have to maintain for any industrial applications and an overall industry happenings. So I thank all the organizers for organizing such a beautiful and wonderful FDP, and hope in future you will organize such type of FDPs, which will be very important to us in regards to industrial safety. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, a very good evening to all. I am Anu Paul, Assistant Professor from Jyoti Engineering College. First of all, let me thank this AICT ATAL portal for this platform. Then St. Mary's Polytechnic College, the Tripoli department, the organizers and the participants. I'm very happy to be the part of this AICT ATAL online faculty development program on progressive safety engineering strategies in manufacturing and industrial applications. Over this past 6 days, we have witnessed an enriching journey of learning and interaction. Okay, and we began with an insightful introduction to the importance of safety engineering in today's industries by Father Dr. Jose Kannambura, which set the foundation for the program. Then by Dr. Maya G, which expanded our understanding to the electrical safety, both fundamental practices and advanced automated systems, which is a topic of great relevance in this current industrial environments. And in the following sessions, we have seen about various aspects like risk assessment, machine safety, various tools like FMEA, and so on. And we have came across various real life case studies in the industrial field. And all of these sessions was highly interactive and informal. Each of these sessions has given us not just theoretical knowledge, but also practical approaches to ensure safer workplaces and to shape a safety first culture in our respective domains. So let us carry forward the learnings of this FDP, apply them in our institutions, industries, and research endeavors and so on, so that the safety becomes not just a regulation, but a culture. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anu ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Is it audible, madam?
Yes, yes, sir. You can continue.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. First of all, it's a great privilege to speak on this valedictory occasion of this ATAL FDP on progressive safety engineering strategies in manufacturing and industrial applications. So, I would like to share my experience. So, I do attend at least many of the ATAL FDPs from the last 2 years, but this is the one I would like to share. This is one of the FDPs where every topic by every expert was systematically it was conducted. That means after which topic has to be delivered and all those things. Now, during the last 6 days, we have, especially myself, I have gained various valuable insights from eminent experts on different varieties of topics like safety engineering fundamentals, electrical safety hazard identification, PPA and disaster management, and real life examples, case studies were also discussed in one of the sessions. Now, especially myself, actually, I would have given the introduction in the starting itself. I'm B. Srinivas Rao from Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So I would like to thank the IICT ATAL Academy and the organizers and all the resource persons for their excellent guidance and as well as the knowledge sharing and encouragement. And I also appreciate especially the coordinators for their efforts in smoothly conducting this FDP in an online mode. And I look forward many of such programs from your side. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Srinivas Rao, sir. Any other participants who wish to give the feedback? Okay. To express our sincere thanks to everyone who made this event possible, I invite Ms. Grishma C.S., Head of Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, St. Mary's Polytechnic College, Palakkad, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of St. Mary's Polytechnic College and Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, it is my proud privilege to deliver the vote of thanks for this faculty development program on progressive safety engineering strategies in manufacturing and industrial application. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our respected management, our director, Dr. Matthew Illathuvarambil, and our joint director, Reverend Father Saju Arakal, for their constant encouragement, support, and visionary leadership. Without their guidance, this program would not have been possible. I also wish to thank our beloved principal, Miss Indugala, and our vice principal, Miss Sriraj AS, and our technical assistant, Miss Aishwarya, faculty of Computer Engineering Department. We remain deeply indebted to our distinguished resource persons, Father Dr. Jose Kanambura, Dr. Maya, Mr. Venugopal, Miss Honey Joseph, Mr. Steffi James, Dr. Rajesh Balasubramaniam, and Mr. Kartigeyan R for sharing their valuable time and expertise with us during this FTP. Finally, a special note of appreciation goes to all the participants. Your active involvement, thoughtful questions, and meaningful discussion have made this FTP truly engaging and impactful. The success of the program belongs to each one of you. With these words, I once again extend my sincere thanks to our management, our esteemed resource person, our principal, supporting teams, and all participants for making this FTP a successful and memorable learning journey. Thank you, dear participants. Once again, thank you, dear participants, for making this faculty development program a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. And good night, participants.
Good night.